Hello my dear students, in this video we are going to learn probability, chance and probability. We all know the meaning of the word chance. We have come across such statements like there is no chance of England team winning this time. Probably it will rain today. I doubt this time student will not get full marks in mathematics test. The word most probably, chances, doubt, etc. shows the probability of occurrence of an event. In our day-to-day life, we often come across many statements, out of which some are sure to happen, some are impossible, whereas some may or may not happen. So let's consider some statements. First statement, the sun setting in the east. This is impossible. We know it is impossible because sun rises in the east. This is impossible. This statement is impossible. A leap year consists of 366 days. Yes, it is sure. We know leap year consists of 366 days. Tomorrow will be a rainy day. It may or may not. It may or may not happen. Next statement. Mother is younger than her son. This is impossible. We know mother is always elder than her son. So this statement is impossible. Increase in the side of square results in the increase in its area. Yes, we know area is equal to side into side. So first, if we have side of square 4 centimeter, its area is equal to 16 centimeter square. Suppose we have increased the side of square. Suppose we have taken now 5 centimeter. So now what will be the area? Our area will be 25 centimeter square. So it is sure, this statement is sure, if there is increase in the side of square, it results in the increase in its area. Next statement, on tossing a coin, I will get head. This may or may not, because there are two possible outcomes when we toss a coin, either head or tail. So it may or may not happen. On throwing a die, I will get the number 5. Yes, it may or may not. Why? Because when we throw a die, there are 6 outcomes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So out of that 6 outcomes, it may be any. So it is not sure that only 5 will come. So from this table, we understand that we have so many statements which are sure to happen, some are impossible, whereas some may or may not happen. So let's perform one activity to understand this better. Let's perform one activity. We are going to perform one activity here. So just take a coin, toss it 20 times and record the observation. So now in this table, here H represents head, H represents head, T represents tail. So when we toss a coin, first time we get head, second time tail, third time head, fourth time again head, fifth time head, sixth time head, seventh time we get tail. So from this table, it is clear that there is no fixed pattern. It's matter of just chance that in particular throw we get head or tail. So we can say that probability is, we can say probability is simply how likely something is to happen, is simply how likely something is to happen. Something is to just happen. Now just count how many heads we get and how many tails. So number of heads is equal to here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So number of heads, it is 12, and number of tails in this table, number of tails is equal to 8. And how many total outcomes? How many times we tossed a coin? So we tossed a coin 20 times. Total outcomes is equal to 20. So now what is the probability of getting, head? So out of 20 outcomes, how many times we get head? 12 times. So probability is equal to 12 upon 20, and its standard form is 3 by 5. Probability of getting tail. How many times we get tail out of 20? We get 8 times. So 8 by 20, which is equal to 2 by 5. Its standard form is 2 by 5. So probability of an event is defined by probability of event defined by number of favorable outcomes. It's simply number of favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes. It is total number of outcomes. Now let's learn some facts regarding the probability. Now we are going to learn some facts about the probability. Kind of event, what type of event it is, and what is its numerical value. Numerical value of probability. So if you have anything which is sure to happen, so when we anything which is sure to happen, its probability is always 1. Its numerical value of probability is always 1. Next, anything which is impossible, its probability is equal to 0. Anything which may or may not happen, any statement or anything which may or may not happen. That's probability always lies between 0 and 1. So it's very simple. When event is certain or when event is sure, that's probability is 1. On the other hand, if it is impossible, that time probability is 0. Now it's very important to learn that probability can never be negative. Always remember, probability can never be negative. I hope it is clear to you. Thank you.